Hi everyone, welcome to another video with me, Deanna, the Tutor's Tutor. Before I get into the video, I want to say thank you to everyone who has subscribed and supported the channel. I really do appreciate your support in helping me grow this channel. If you are new here, welcome. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel and enjoy the content as well. So guys, we are talking about finding private students on Facebook, and this is a video that can be used to create content on either platform, be it Shu, be it Facebook Reels, be it Instagram. You can definitely still use this to actually find your students. So take ideas from this one, right? So let's get into it, guys. Now, remember, the videos we are looking for are only for inspiration. Only inspiration, not to copy the exact video that you see on TikTok. Please don't be a copycat. You can definitely take different ideas and actually put them together and make the video fun and interesting and add your own ideas to your content. So that's definitely doable, but just don't copy exactly what you see. You want to be able to grab your viewers' attention as soon as they see your video. Why? Because you actually want them to start with your video and to end with your video. One thing I've noticed is that if you put the word you at the beginning of your video, it catches the person's attention because you're directing that video directly to them and they want to know what is it about them that they need to watch this video. It keeps them intrigued. So that is a key point and a tip that you can use for your content as well. So yesterday I uploaded a video talking about niching down. Today I'm showing you how you can actually use TikTok to help you find your niche ideas very fast. It shouldn't be something that's difficult, guys. It's just doing some research. And before you actually create content, have a plan. Have a plan of action so that you know when you're creating, you're scratching off your list, and then if you have any other ideas, you just put them down at the bottom of your list. Do not act on those ideas until you've completed your list first. We're working in an ordered, systematic manner here so that we are actually not tiring ourselves out, but we're working to a point where we enjoy what we're doing. Okay, the next one is, guys, you are on a social platform here. Be unique. You are yourself. The same way your fingerprints are only yours and yours only, that is who you are. Do not take somebody else's work and claim it to be your own. Be unique. This is one of the best social media marketing strategies out there, is be yourself. You're creating content to show others you are unique and how your content is related to them. You want them to like you or not like you for you, nobody else but you. You want, if somebody doesn't like you, let them dislike you for you being yourself, not for being a copy or somebody else. And if they do like you, also let them like you for you and not somebody else, because then you always have to put up this fake visage of who you are and who you're not, and you always have to remember certain things. Guys, just be authentic. Please remain authentic to your style of teaching and how you deliver content. How I do something may not be how you do something. So don't think you have to do it the way I do it or how somebody else does it. Remain true to yourself. Comment below and let me know how are you guys coming along with your content ideas. Where are you at? What phase are you at? Have you already started with content, or are you still like writing your ideas through? Please let me know. So for this video, guys, I have muted it because I don't want YouTube to flag me for using music or sounds here. So let's head on over to my TikTok. Okay, so, oh, nice. Interesting. Okay, let's go search. So as you see, if I actually type in English, it'll populate a whole lot of other ideas. And this means that this is actually results that people are searching. Let's take the first one, English vocabulary lesson. So if you know your niche is in vocab, you can definitely go here and find some ideas. I know English with Lucy is very popular. She also has a not Facebook, YouTube channel as well. So she's very good and she sells a lot of courses too. You can also use YouTube, but that's a story for another day. So let's continue here. As you can see, there's lots of ideas just for English vocabulary lessons. There's one in particular that I did like. Let me see. Where is it? Oh, and English with Tiffany. Teacher Tiffany is also very, very popular. And she also sells courses up to about $900 per course. So, guys, there's a lot of money to be made here. Oh, this one seems quite interesting. English vocab in the kitchen. And this is exactly what I was talking about, is that you can use your daily lifestyle to actually just talk about certain things. Because remember, people are on social media, it's a lifestyle place. So, see, she's got tray there. She's highlighting the vocabulary that she's using here. Tray, oh, I went past it. Okay. Stop saying yes. Instead, this is so you can actually improve your vocabulary bank and expand it as well when you're talking. So this is really nice, and this is the one I was talking about the last time, where you have one person acting the role play out. So as you can see, she's at the hair salon and she is getting her hair trimmed or cut, and they are talking about vocabulary there. So, guys, this is a lot, and this is faceless videos as well. So, common mistakes that are made in English. You don't always have to show your face. You can just read it out as well. So it says, let's practice there. Guys, there's so many ideas. Okay, let's go and find something else. So even if I start removing my search results there, I see different things populating. So let's see. Lesson jokes. If you're a funny person, definitely try this out as well. Let's go there. And I mean, people will share this type of content because they want to make other people laugh as well. So this is, I wish I could share the sound with you guys, but she's actually saying how she writes it out, like pictures. This guy is also very popular. As you can see, he is already verified on the application. So simple, he's got his kitchen utensils and he's just asking for vocabulary. So he shows it to the people, makes them guess, and then once they finish guessing, let's go and open up the comments. See, people are actually interacting, engagement. This is what people want. And he is actually responding to a whole lot of people, which means that he's keeping his engagement up because every time he replies, somebody comes back, checks, and it's a conversation that they are actually having over there. And this is duetting other people, so that's also a great idea. So let's find other stuff here. Let's remove that. And again, lots of stuff populates because this is what people are actually searching. So business English, let's see that. See there, a whole lot of stuff comes up. So you cannot say that you're running out of ideas, because once you go into one topic, you're going to find a whole lot of other subtopics in there as well. So this is specifically if your niche is business English as well. You can definitely use this. Remove that. See, it shows a whole lot of other stuff as well. So let's get for kids. See, it even gives the grade levels here as well. So there's body parts, there's games. Again, you don't even have to show your face. You can just show a picture and talk about that picture. You can also take movies and talk about the vocabulary in movies. Sing songs with the kids. I really like this one. Sorry for the background noise. It's my son there. This is colors and fruit. So vocabulary, and you're extending the lesson as well. There's another faceless video where you can actually just show pictures, get this on Canva, and talk about it. Have breakfast, get dressed, brush my teeth. It's things that people are actually doing in the morning with their kids and in the afternoon. So it's something a parent will save, especially if they are not English speaking. Let's have a look here. So even if you really are going really into it and you got else, then you can definitely do this. Else reading tips and tricks. So use TikTok as your research tool. Let's find something that's for maths. Oh, maths hacks, tricks. Like, I wish I knew these things at school as well. It would have made my life so much easier. Guys, there is content ideas for days. You just have to research. Writing, if you're focusing on writing as a niche, specifically essays, They also give you useful websites as well that you can go to, and that can also extend, and you can tell your parents that you can share worksheets and stuff. So you can take a screenshot of this, guys, and see all the topics I've searched so far. You can begin with this as your motivation or your starting point so that you can actually go deeper into your niching down. So I really hope that that has helped you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos, and please check out the whole series as well. I'll see you guys very soon. Thank you so much. Bye.